Today we are going to be diving into the depths of the North Atlantic to see about one of the most extraordinary creatures, the Greenland shark. For centuries they have been largely unseen and they have been present in the depths of the North Atlantic. But with recent scientific research, there has been a lot of astonishing details which have come out, which changes our understanding about the longevity of this planet and the creatures in it. This isn't just a fish, it's a living fossil, a true ancient mariner holding secrets to the time itself. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Everything with Dr. James. Today we are going to be seeing about the Greenland shark. So what exactly are these Greenland sharks? Scientifically called as Somniosus microcephalus, these are sleepy small-headed sharks which are not the fast stealth predators which we usually imagine. These sharks can be 24 feet long and 1000 kgs. They can be brown, mottled in color, and they will have scars in their body present all over, but they will have scales which are disproportionate to the size of their body. Now, what makes these sharks very unique is the area in which they reside. They usually are present in waters which are about -1 to -10 degrees Celsius, which are the North Atlantic and the Arctic Oceans, which are present in the Norway, Sweden, Greenland, Canada area. And these sharks reside at a depth of around 2000 to 7000 feet. This might be the reason why they are largely not seen by the human population. The meat of this Greenland shark contains a toxin which is called as the trimethylamine N oxide. Usually in Greenland there is a saying that usually somebody is drunk, they are called as shark drunk, because this trimethylamine N oxide which is present in these sharks have a alcoholic effect. So dogs, when by mistake they eat this, they will also be called as drunk. Female Greenland sharks are usually larger than the male Greenland sharks. These Greenland sharks usually feed on cod, wolfish, haddock, skates and seals. Now coming to the headline grabbing fact which brought these sharks into global spotlight, their longevity. For years scientists were not able to find out the exact age of these Greenland sharks because these Greenland sharks did not have the typical otoliths or fins which are used to date the other fishes. But in 2016, this all changed when the scientists used the technique of radiocarbon dating of the crystals from the lenses which are present in the eyes. These eye lenses are actually fully formed before birth only. So because of which these crystals which are taken from this lens can give us an exact age of these sharks. And they found out that the lens which they took from the shark had an age of around 392 with a margin of error showing that it could be up to 512 years, making them the oldest vertebrate alive in this world. Imagine these sharks were swimming when Shakespeare were writing his play or even before America was discovered, and they are even present now. Now coming to the reasons why these sharks were living long. So the first reason could be is because of the cold habitat, their full metabolism slows down such that all their biochemical processes occur slowly, giving them the longevity. Imagine a computer in a power saving mode which is running for centuries. The second reason might be is that the slow growth rate. Scientists have observed that these Greenland sharks grow at a rate of 1 centimeter per year, because of which they can live long. The third reason being for their longevity is that late sexual maturity. These sharks start producing children only at the age of 150. Imagine these sharks have to be a century and a half years old before they start producing offspring. Despite having a very slow motion of only 1 mile per hour, these sharks are formidable predators. They are sneaky, stealthy, and they can easily pounce on unsuspecting prey like seals. Their mouth is arranged such that their buccal cavity creates a suction mechanism which sucks in their prey and they will devour them. The second thing is, once these sharks grow old, the eyes of the shark get attached by a parasite which is called as an Omocoita elongata. This parasite will attach to their eyes and make them blind instantly. But this does not affect the longevity of these sharks, because the sharks rely on a sense of smell more than seeing through the eyes. A second thing they say is, this parasite which are present in the eyes actually gives a bioluminescence such that it attracts the prey towards the Greenland shark in the depths of the ocean. Despite their resilience and incredible lifespan, these sharks are not invincible. The main problem Greenland sharks face is that they are caught as byproduct by fishers who are actually searching for other fishes. The second problem which these Greenland sharks are currently facing is, because of global warming, the waters in the Arctic and the North Atlantic Ocean are getting warmer, which is destroying their habitat, because of which these sharks are going and searching for better places to live in. The third is that we have very limited research regarding these creatures, because these creatures were largely unseen. They are present at a depth of around 2000 to 7000 feet, which makes it hard for researchers also to track them. The Greenland shark meat is called in Greenland as hakal, and they are eaten as a delicacy. Usually this Greenland shark meat contains the toxin trimethylamine N oxide, which will produce alcoholic effects. So what they do is, they will ferment it and dry it and then eat it to overcome these toxic effects. The Greenland shark stands as a testament of incredible diversity and adaptability of life in Earth. Saving them is not only about saving a species, it is about preserving a unique piece of Earth's history and understanding the very limits of life. Thank you.